So here we have its box, and you can take a look about it. Here we have a QR code scanner given, from where you can check that is the product original or not, and by scratching here, and nothing so much special written at the side, and these are the informations given at the box behind. You can just pause your screen and have a look over here. So let's just unbox it. I didn't require any special cutter or anything to open, and it was not even sealed from anywhere. So here we have a normal carry pouch inside the box. This one, Boya, where Boya is written, and then we have a user manual, and I think it is written in Mandarin also, so you can have a look about it. You can just pause your screen and have a look on the informations given, what are available in the package, and various things is written in this, and not very much special information given. So I think everyone should read the user manual, so that they can use the product more perfectly, and having its full information always gives a free hand. We have the same information written in the Mandarin also, and that's all in the book. So let's just keep this book aside, and nothing special in the box, so let's just keep it aside. Here we have our mic. Nothing. So here is the mic, and the length of the wire is quite long, it looks like. So we have the equalizer or the mic control system over here. Here is the top head of the mic, or the head of the cavalier, which you would need to clip on your t-shirt or shirt. And at first glance, the wire looks pretty long, I would say, and after measuring it, I will surely tell you about it. So nothing too much, just I would just wrap it out. So here we have our wire, and that's all in the package, I think. Here we have a foam for our head, and then we have a clip. Here is the clip given for our cavalier, and the cell is given over here, the foam is over here, and the 6.5 mm jack is here. So you can also use this in the DSLRs for the audio input. So that's all. Here we have it. The cell is quite small. I think its size is okay, so size of the cell is not written here. I would mention it on below the screen over here. And that's it in the unboxing. We don't have anything else. And here we have its clip also. I will just unwrap it and show you. So that's it. We have this much in our box.